What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannon B. Ford, and I'm here to let you know that next Friday is my birthday, 11/27 on Black Friday. You'll get me for 2 full hours from 7 to 9 p.m. I'll be on YouTube Live. Make sure you come and chat with me. Come meet my family. Help me cut my cake. You can even send me some birthday wishes if you want. Now, also, I will be debuting my original song for my channel. You see original video, a song. You're gonna watch me do my thing, and I hope you guys love it. I just want to give you a little something extra to tell you guys thank you for supporting me thus far, and let's take it to the top, guys. Thank you for all your love, support.
I do what I does, and I do's it the only way that I could, and it's good, and they like it. Yeah, baby, they like it. Yeah, I do what I does, and I do's it the only way that I could, and it's good, and they like it. Yeah, baby, they like it. Yeah. Yeah.